Okay, boys. I wanted to do a update video for the robot. I have been working on it quite a bit the last week, and specifically, I had to rebuild the battery holder case. It's just a makeshift setup. We're gonna have welded batteries and kind of a really clean looking case eventually, but for now, it's a 3D printed case with the little springs inside. I can show you guys that. Um, okay, so here is it. This is for an 18650 battery, and you can see here, this is where the little spring setup goes. And I can show you guys that. Here's what those look like. They've got a little spade connector tab on one end, and it's a little spring. And then the other end would just be a little knob with a spade connector. And so I 3D printed a handful of them for now until we get our little welder set up. So this is how it works. Alright, so you can see now. Hold on. Okay. So that's now centered in here. And then this one's centered in here. You can see I allow these little legs right here. You can see right here these little tabs. I created a shelf for them to sit on, which sets the height. So you can see how they sit down. It's got like a sitting place. And you can see I just created a whole slot for this thing to sit in. And then the battery just slides in to this whole setup like this. You can see it's a pretty perfect fit, because we wanted it to be economic on space taking. And then what you do after it's in, see the spring compression and the connection to the terminals is real good. But the battery can easily slide out of here from either direction. So now you wrap it in electrical tape. And I'll show you guys how that looks. Looks like this. You put the electrical tape here and here, and then you can slide on the there we go. There's the spade connector, mini spade connector, slides right onto it. And then there's my red wire. And so we got our two batteries in series, and they've each got their own little 1S charger boards. And so that's all working out. So I just had to redo that.